Hi pet lovers, Dr. Mann from Boca Midtown Animal Hospital. And one of the most important tests that we can do when we worry about kennel cough is to feel the throat, to see if feeling the throat elicits a cough. So the upper airway, the trachea here, is felt, and we're going to see what happens after I feel this upper airway, see if there's a reaction.
Kennel cough, known as infectious tracheobronchitis, starts at the upper airway where there's inflammation and irritation, and it can lead to bronchitis and lower airway disease, even pneumonia, that can be life-threatening when left untreated. So make sure you take your pet to the vet right away if you start noticing a dry, non-productive hacking cough like this.